Hi everyone, for those of you that are new to the channel, I'm Christina, and today on It Is a Keeper, we are making a cold spaghetti salad. It's a jazzed up pasta salad that's loaded with fresh veggies. It's perfect for summer because it's not mayonnaise based and it doesn't need to be refrigerated. In fact, my husband loves to eat this salad at room temperature. Now, before we get started, make sure you click on the red subscribe button below so you're notified whenever I share new recipes. And if you can, give this video a thumbs up. That would be great. Okay, so the first thing we need to do to start our spaghetti salad is add the spaghetti. So here I have cooked an entire pound of spaghetti, and I broke it in half before I cooked it. So we're just going to add all of this into the bowl. All right, now we're going to pile on the veggies. And when I say pile on, I mean pile on. So the first thing we have is 3 Roma tomatoes, and I seeded them. So I cut them in half and I got rid of all of the pulp and the seeds and the liquid, and I just have the flesh here. So we have 3 of those in there. And then we're going to add some broccoli florets. So I cut them pretty small. You want all of your vegetables to be the same size so that when you go in for a forkful of it, it all kind of fits. Again, big bowl for this. Okay, next up I have cucumbers. Next up, bell peppers, and I have red and green bell peppers that I've diced up. You guys, my bowl is full. Still going with the veggies here. We're going to add some onions to the mixture. It's like the Leaning Tower of veggies. I have so much in here. I'm going to have a difficult time mixing this up. Okay, last but not least, we're going to add some black olives. So I have 2 cans of sliced black olives. I am just going to drain the liquid off them. We don't want that liquid. Just the olives. But look at the colors in this. There's red and green and purple and now black. This is amazing. All right, I'm going to attempt to get this mixed up and not get it all over my kitchen. Wish me luck. Okay, so I mixed up the veggies, kind of got it turned around. I'm not going too much into this because we're going to be adding some more seasonings and dressing to this. So we're going to be stirring it a little bit more as we do that. So you don't have to go too much into the stirring. So I do want to tell you that if you want to jazz this up and really take it to the next level, you can add cut meats and cheeses. My friend Michelle does that. And she adds in chickpeas too, which really makes it a hearty, almost a meal in itself. So that would be a great addition to this. So for the dressing, we're just using a bottle of robust Italian salad dressing. Nothing fancy. All over. Now, when you make this salad, if you leave the pasta, if you make it when the pasta is warm, that warm pasta is going to absorb all of the flavor of the dressing. There we go, whole thing. Okay, and to this, then we're going to stir in some Parmesan cheese, because why not? And now we're going to add some seasoning. So I have my house seasoning blend. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of that all over. This just gives it some extra flavor oomph. And for a little bit of crunch, I'm going to add a tablespoon of sesame seeds. You can use white or black. I'm using the white ones here because that's what I have on hand. And then celery seed. I don't know if this is something you've ever used before, but I use it a lot in my pasta salads. I even use it in my sloppy joe recipe. It's that secret ingredient that just gives it that little something extra. You can't really put your finger on what the flavor is, but you know that it's there, and it's the celery seed. So we just need a little bit of that. A little goes a long way. And last but not least, for some color, I'm going to add a little bit of paprika. That's a fun word to say, paprika. Paprika. Okay, now we just have to take all of this Get it all mixed up very, very carefully because the big bowl was not big enough. Okay, our salad is looking great. Let me serve this up. It's so pretty. Just look at all those colors. The red and the green broccoli. Oh, I love this. So this recipe actually came from my friend Jerry. I've always joked to her that I want to get inside of her recipe box one day. All right, we are going to go in and give this a taste. The flavor in this salad is insane. The texture is insane between the sesame seeds and the broccoli and the olives. Like, it all just comes alive, and the dressing makes it so bright and tangy, and then you get that little hint from the celery seed. I'm telling you, don't skip that part. It's so good. You have got to give this salad a try. Thanks for watching. You can get the printable recipe in the video description below. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe so you don't miss a single thing. And check out the rest of my videos where you can find more of my favorite easy recipes and quick tips. I'll see you next time. Bye.